Hello students, welcome to the series number 2 of trigonometric functions. So we have discussed a few good questions from various national exams on the trigonometric functions. So we will begin with the continuation of that part. So today's session we will discuss few more challenging questions. All you need is you have to memorize or you need to go through the synopsis as well as theories we discussed in a theory class. If you know it, everything is manageable to you people. Okay, so we'll discuss with questions one by one. As I told you, you solve 2021 as an exercise. Also, you got answer. So 21 question is manageable one because it's a very easy to manage. Cos 90 plus theta, sin 360 plus theta. So I won't bother to solve that question. So I will solve question number 20. Okay, 21 I will consider it as a homework. It's a manageable one. So let me solve question number 20. So please take care of that notes you have. So let me discuss the question one by one. What is given in question number 20 is they want answer for that big question, that is sine of minus 660 degree and of 1050 degree, then secant of minus 420 degree divided by cos of 225 degree cosec of 315 degree and cos of 510 degree. What is the answer for this question? They expect it to you from you people. So what we will do, we don't know any values directly. If it is sin 60, tan 30, cosec 30, we will write answer in a straight away form. All is given in a higher end. Okay, and that we will take care of all these things. So what we will do now is, so we will solve step by step. So options are given to you people. I don't want to write options because the material already is with you. Just take care of that question. Okay. What is the answer for that question is, this is one of the GE question, okay, appeared in a previous year question paper if you offer. So how to solve it is, see, I'll do it in a stepwise method. Sine of minus 660 degree, right? So sine of minus 660 degree is nothing but, it looks like sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So it is nothing but minus sine 660 degree. Okay, now what I will do here is, I will keep minus as it is. Okay, then sine of 660 degree. So what I will do, I write it as 2 times of 360. Okay, because it is 2 times of 360, 720. 720 minus 60 degree. Hope you understood. Okay, now it is nothing but minus as it is sine of. If you observe this, 362 is 720. How to write 720 in terms of 90? It is nothing but 8 times of 90 degree, yes, minus 60 degree. So 8 times of 90 degree is nothing but 8 is given function will remain function only. It is minus of, okay, it is already minus sine of 60 degree, yes. Now 360 into 2 is 720. Okay, so 720 means 2 rotation. So 2 rotation minus 60 degree means it will come in a 4th quadrant. In 4th quadrant, according to ASTC rule, ASTC, sign is negative. Therefore, I write here minus. So minus minus become plus. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay, because I have considered this calculation like this. 362 rotation. This is 1 rotation. This is 2 rotation. Plus means forward. Minus means backward. It is in 4th quadrant. In 4th quadrant, ASTC. So sign is negative in this whole quadrant according to ASTC rule. Therefore, I wrote minus. Minus minus become plus. Okay. So I got answer for sin 60 degree. So let's move on to the next criteria. It is a tangent of 1050 degree. We can use, but we can manage. So what we do? There is no negative line. You are very lucky. So I'll write like this as a tan of 1050 is bit higher version. 362 is 720. So when I go with 363, it gives me 1080. So I will write it as a 3 times of 360 degree, which is 1080. But I want 1050. So subtract from this 30 degree. Okay. So now it gives me tan of, right, 1080 in terms of 90. 90 times of what is 1080? So it is nothing but 12 times of 90. Okay, minus 30 degree. 12 is even number, so function will remain function, that is tan of 30 degree. Okay, it is 363 rotation. 1 rotation, 2 rotation, 3 rotation, minus, because it is minus. So ASTC, again tan is negative, so minus tan 30. It is minus of tan 30 is nothing but sin 30 divided by cos 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So you end up with answer minus 1 by root. So you got answer for second thing also. We'll move on to the secant of minus 420 degree, right? So secant of minus 420 degree is nothing but secant of minus theta is secant theta only. It is secant of 420 degree, right? So what we will do here is write it as secant of 360 degree plus 60 degree, right? 360 plus 60 is 420. So it is 1 times of 360. So next I write it as secant of 4 times of 90 degree plus 60 degree. 4 is even, so function will remain function. It is secant of 60 degree. 360 plus theta. 360 means 1 rotation, plus means first quadrant. In first quadrant sec is positive. So sec 60 is given cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 divided by 1 by 2. That is 2. Okay. So I got answer for this thing. We will move on to the next thing. It is cos of 225 degree, right? So cos of 225 degree can be written as cos of 180 degree plus 45 degree. Next, we will write this thing as twice 90 plus 45. Twice 90 means it is to be given number. It is cos of 45 degree, right? So 180 plus 45 is nothing but third quadrant. In third quadrant, AST. Cos is negative, so it is minus. So your obvious answer is minus 1 by root. Your answer for this question, right? Now we will move on to the next criteria. That is cosec of 315 degree. We will write it as cosec of 360 degree minus 45 degree. Am I right? So I'll express it in terms of 90. That is 4 times of 90 minus 45 degree. 4 is given, therefore function will remain function. That is cosec of 45 degree. Now sin scheme 360 minus theta. It's in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, ASTC. So cosec is negative. It is nothing but 1 by sin 45. It is minus root 2. Right? So we'll end up with the last term. That is cos of 510 degree. You write it as a cos of 360 degree plus 150 degree. Right? Next, write it as a cos of 4 times of 90 plus 150 degree. 4 is even, therefore function will remain function. Cos of 150 degree. Now I will need to find cos 150 degree for the simplification. I write it as a cos of 90 plus 60. Right? It is 1 times of 90. So 1 times of 90 means it is 1 is odd. It becomes sin 60. Right? So 90 plus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative. So sin 60 is minus root 3 by 2. With this, I got answer for all these questions. Let me put in this case, it straight away these sections, so that we will get answers. So if I put sin of minus 660 degree, the answer I got is root 3 by 2, right? Into tan of 1050, it's is minus 1 by root 3 into secant of minus 420, its answer is 2, right? Divided by cos of 225 degree, it is minus 1 by root 2 into cosec of 315 degree, its answer is minus root 2 into cos of 510 degree, its answer is minus root 3 by 2. So when you cancel root 3 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, here root 2 get cancelled, you end up with numerator minus 1 divided by denominator minus minus plus into minus, you end up with root 3 by 2, minus become plus, so the answer is 2 by root. Okay, let me check if the answer you have. 2 by root 3 is in option number 2. Therefore, option number 2 is the right answer for this particular question. Okay. Second one you can easily manage. Question number 21 is manageable to you. Okay. So you just take care of question number 21. Let me proceed on to the question number 22. Okay. So option B is the right answer for question number 20. So all this depends on the ACC technique as well as what kind of approach you have in QP. Okay, so let's begin with the question number 2 of this question. Also, you understood this technique of solving problem in an easiest method. Let me take care of all this problem in a systematic way. Okay. So let me discuss question number 22. The value of cot of 54 degree divided by tan of 36 degree plus tan of 20 degree divided by cot of 70 degree. Okay, they have given option 0, 2, 3, 1. Which option is correct for this particular expression? We don't know anything about this angles answer. If it is cot 30, tan 30 will manage, but we have given is 54, somewhat spatial angles. How to work out? If I work out in a systematic way, it takes a bit time. So I'll use one simple method so that you can easily manage these things. What we will do here is, I know some relation so that we can manage. That relation is, I will write cot 54 degree as cot of 90 degree minus 36. Just check. 90 minus 36 is 54. So don't touch denominator expression. You will get to know 1. Next, I will write 20 degree as 90 degree minus 70 degree divided by denominator I won't touch. So it is 1 into 90. 1 means odd. Odd means function will changes to co-function. It is tan of 36 degree. 90 minus theta is first quadrant, tan is positive, right? Divided by denominator I won't touch. Plus it is 1 into 90, cot of 70 degree. So 90 minus theta means first quadrant, cot tan is positive. Okay, therefore divided by cot 70 degree. Now you got numerator denominator same term, cancel. It is 1 plus 1 and answer gives you 2. Sometimes if you apply technique in such way, you get a quicker answer rather than finding values of cot 54 degree. Okay, because entrance question, some questions are very manageable by using technique. Some questions are we have to solve. Not all questions have shortcut methods. Keep in mind. Okay, therefore this is one of the shortcut problem, so we can manage in this particular way. Okay, so this answer is 2. So option B is the right answer for this particular question. Next, we'll move on to the next question. What we have in the next question is, in a triangle ABC, they have given cosec A times sin B cos C cos B sin C equal. They have told in a triangle they have taken angle in ABC. So we all know that ABC angle is nothing but A plus B plus C, and sum gives you 180 degree in a triangle. So what we can do with this particular data? So what we'll do is, just look at the pattern within the bracket. The pattern is sin B cos C, cos B sin C. It is a familiar formula for us. It is sin of B plus C. Hope you understood. Because sin B cos C, cos B sin C. Sin of A plus B formula. Now what to do with this thing? We will do cosec A into sin of B plus C can be written as 180 degree minus A by this particular data. Because in a triangle they have told some of the angles of the triangle is 180 degree. Now what we will do with this is cosec of A into sine of twice 90, okay, minus A. 2 times of 90 is nothing but 2 is the even number. Even number will function will remain function, that is sine of A. 180 minus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant, according to AHTC rule, sine is positive. We know that cosec and sine, they are reciprocal to each other. Cosec can be written as 1 by sine. Therefore, sine get cancelled. Answer is 1. Therefore, answer for this question is plus 1, which is option number A. So, this question manageable because of this result plus triangle criteria. Then we applied AHTC rule. So, just take care how important this AHTC rule is. Everywhere we are applying. So, please show much, that is, please show more interest towards learning this thing. Okay, so this is very important because of 180. So 2 into 90, 2 into given function will be function only. 180 minus theta means second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive. Therefore, I wrote that sine as a plus because A just is. Okay, so answer is plus 1, which is option number A. Now we will discuss next question. Some question needs to be solved systematically, otherwise getting answer is tedious process. Okay. The next question is, if tan x plus tan of x plus pi by 3, if tan x plus tan of x plus pi by 3, okay, plus tan of x minus pi by 3 is equal to k times of tan 3x, value of k is. What is the meaning of this? They want this expression to be equal to k times of tan 3x. Means we need to solve in such a way that at the end we need to bring this left hand side expression in terms of k into, that is something into tan 3x. What something we will get now, that only the k answer. Okay, we will discuss this thing in a systematic way. So tan x will be as I know tan of a plus b formula, that is tan x plus tan pi by 3, tan of a plus b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b, right, plus here tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. Okay, I will not write equal now only. Let me check what answer I will get. So next tan x plus, let me cross multiply, tan x into 1 tan x into tan x tan pi by 3 is plus tan square x tan pi by 3. Okay, then tan pi by 3. Okay, then tan x into tan square pi by 3. And here you multiply tan x into 1 is tan x plus into minus it is tan square x tan pi by 3. Okay, then minus tan pi by 3. Okay, then minus become plus, is tan x into tan square pi by 3. Okay, whole divided by the LCM you all know, that is 1 minus tan x tan pi by 3 into 1 plus, that is I'll write in a shorter way to reduce my work. That is, it looks like a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that is a square minus b square, that is tan square x into tan square pi by 3. Now I will multiply here. So this answer becomes tan square x minus tan cube x into tan square pi by 3 plus tan x plus tan pi by 3. What we will do here is tan pi by 3 means tan 60. So tan 60 is nothing but sin 60 divided by cos 60. It is nothing but root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. It is root 3. So I write here tan x plus tan square x into root 3 plus tan pi by 3 root 3 into tan x. It is tan pi by 3 the whole square, it is root 3 the whole square, it is 3 plus tan x minus tan square x into tan pi by 3 is root 3 minus root 3 plus tan x into tan pi by 3 is root 3. Root 3 square is 3. Okay. Whole divided by 1 minus tan square pi by 3 is 3 times of tan square x. If you check for the cancelled term, you can observe that plus root 3 minus root 3 and is there any term will get cancelled? Tan square x root 3. Yeah, this term will get cancelled. Tan square x root 3 minus tan square x root 3. I guess no other term will cancel. 3 tan x, 3 tan x. So also right now tan square x, okay, minus tan square pi by 3 is 3 times of tan cube x. Okay, then tan x plus 3 tan x, 4 tan x, 4 tan x plus tan x, 5 tan x, 5 tan x plus 3, that is 8 tan x. Okay, 8 tan x. Okay, divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x, right? So we will do something here. Just we'll check once again where we did mistake. It should come somewhat different now. Okay, let me check tan square x. Yeah, so it is okay. Sorry. I need to write here tan x into 1 tan x. Sorry. Tan x into 1 square is 1. So tan x into 1 is tan x. Sorry, it should be tan x. Okay. So it is nothing but 8 tan x plus tan x. It is 9 tan x. Okay, minus 3 tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x, right? So both sides 3 is common. So if you take this tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay. Now what will happen is it tan 3x? We have to think. Is it 3 tan x? We have to think, because if you take 3 common here, it is 3 tan x. Sorry, 3 tan x minus tan cube x. Okay. So if we all know tan of 3x formula, it is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. So I'll write this as 3 times of this whole term. I'll write it as tan of 3x. Okay, 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. So when I compare my left hand side answer with right hand side, it is same. In place of k, what I have? I got in place of k 3. Therefore, the required k answer for this particular question is 3, which is option C. Okay, so option C is the right answer for this particular question. So all we need is formulas, that is systematic way. If you understand formulas in a systematic way, we will manage anything. So all we need is formulas. We will discuss the next question. This 28th question. Okay. In 28th question, they have given if 2 sin x cos y sin z is equal to sin 1 into sin of x plus z, then tan x, tan 1, tan z are in AP, GP, HP. Okay, what is AP? Arithmetic progression, you know. A plus D, A plus 2D. This is arithmetic progression. So. AR square, so on. Okay, it is arithmetic progression. It is geometric progression. What is harmonic progression? Harmonic progression is nothing but, if you write any term, if its reverse is AP, say for example 1 by A plus D, 1 by A plus 2D, it is called harmonic progression. What is AGP? It is arithmetico-geometric series, that is mixing of AP as well as GP. Now what is arithmetic mean? What is geometric mean? What is harmonic mean? Because they want tan are in. Okay. What is AP is? If you have three numbers A, B, C, B is called arithmetic mean of A and C. If and only if B can be written as A plus C by ABC are in GP, then you can get that GM as B equals to root of AC. ABC are in HP, or its harmonic mean is given by B equal to 2AC divided by A plus C. Now these three criteria I have to work out which is suitable for this particular question. So what I will do here is I'll write this thing as 2 times of sin x cos y sin z is equal to sin y. Let me sort out it as a sin x cos z plus cos x sin z. So then we'll write 2 times of sin x cos y sin z is sin x sin y cos z cos x sin y sin z. Okay. Now what I will do, I will divide throughout by cos x cos y cos z. Why I am dividing only with this here? They want tan x. Tan is got by sin y terms. So if I divide throughout by cos x cos y cos y, if you divide here, it becomes 2 tan x. Okay, cos y cancel. Sin y cos tan y. Okay. If you divide sin y cos tan x, tan y here plus 1. Cos x by cos x cancel. Sin y by cos y tan y. Sin z by cos z cancel. Right. Now if you observe here, we have to do something. That is a 2 tan x tan z, tan x tan y, tan y tan z. So no term is similar here. So if you observe this pattern, if you do tan x tan y tan z, if you divide it by tan x tan y tan z, what will happen is, so divide by tan x tan y tan z. So what will happen is, if you divide by tan x, it becomes tan x by tan x cancel. There is no tan y term, so you left with 2 by tan y, right? Is equal to, if you divide here tan x tan y, you left with 1 by tan z. Okay? If you divide here tan y tan z get cancelled, you left with tan x. Okay, so this expression I got, but how to believe it is AP, GP, HP? So what I will do is, first I will simplify this particular expression in front of you. Let me simplify, just take it is tan x plus tan z divided by tan x tan z is equal to 2 by tan y. Okay, therefore I will cross multiply this. So what will happen? 1 by tan y is equal to tan x plus tan z upon 2 tan x tan z. Okay, I will reverse it. 1 by tan y, so I reverse it become tan y. Okay, so just I reverse it. So this also become reverse sign. This 2 tan x tan z upon tan x plus tan. It looks like B equal to 2AC upon A plus C. So which means third criteria. So this tan x, tan y, tan z are in harmonic progression because it satisfies harmonic mean. So option C is the right answer for this particular question. Okay. So just take care of this newer concept to you people. You already studied, it's not an issue. Just go through it. We'll move on to the next question. This all takes time to explain. So number of questions may be less, but they are all quality questions. Okay, it makes you to solve more of the question in upcoming session. So let me discuss very next question. What is the answer for cos pi by 7? Cos 2 pi by 7. Cos 4 pi by 7. What is the answer for this? If you refer my synopsis, I mentioned one formula in it. Always keep in mind, we know that cos A, cos of 2 times of A, cos of 2 square times of A, so on up to cos of 2 raised to n minus 1 A is equal to 2 sin raised to n. Okay? 1 minute. It is nothing but sin raised to 2n into 2 raised to n sin. Okay, sin terms of 2 raised to n a upon 2 raised to n sin. You just refer the formula. Now, how many terms is given? So 3 terms are given. So 3 terms are given. We need to take care of n equal to 3. So what will happen here? It happens sin raised to 2 cube a divided by 2 cube a sin a. Okay, which is nothing but, now what we do is we will work with this thing. Therefore, cos pi by 7, cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7. Okay, this is a because it is square, so it will be what? Sin times of 2, n is 3 terms are there, 2 cube a. What is a here? A is pi by 7. Okay, divided by 2 cube sin a. It is nothing but sin of 8 pi by 7 upon 8 times of sin pi by 7. Okay. Now we write this as sin of pi plus pi by 7. Okay. Sin of pi plus pi by 7 upon 8 times of sin pi by 7. Okay. So 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta means it is 2 times of 90. It is nothing but 2 times the sin function, that is sin pi by 7 upon 8 times of sin pi by 7. 180 plus theta means it is third order according to AST rule. AST sign is negative, but I got numerator sin pi by 7, denominator sin by 7. The answer is minus 1 by 8. So such problem comes under shortcut technique, which already I discussed in a synopsis. So minus 1 by 8 is the right answer for this 26th question. That is option B. What I did, I have considered it as 3 terms where a is pi by 7. Simplify and work. Then I expanded 8 pi by 7 as 5 plus pi by 7, 7 pi plus pi, 8 pi. Then I cancelled. I got my answer minus 1 by 8 according to ASTC rule. Just check how important the ASTC rule is. Everywhere, almost everywhere we were applying it. Okay, so please show interest towards learning this particular method. Now we'll discuss the next question. So just check about this 26th question. 4 times of tan of 7.5 degree minus, that is 1 minus tan square of 7.5 degree upon 1 minus 6 times of tan square of 7.5 degree. Okay, plus tan raised to 4 7.5 degree. Okay, such a huge number it is, that 2 is the fraction 7.5 degree. We even don't know what is tan 7 degree, but they expect us to answer 7.5 degree. How to manage? That's the question. It's a JEE advanced question appeared. How to manage this? It's not a difficult one. Only thing is we need to observe the pattern in it. If you observe pattern in it, no, we can almost get the answer. What is pattern in it is, look at this, tan 7.5 here. Take only one tan 7.5. Tan 7.5, tan 7.5. It's sometimes it will be to the power 4, sometimes it will be squaring. All these things are there. Now, we have one formula. I gave it as a homework to you people because I taught you tan theta formula, I taught you tan 2 theta, tan 3 theta. I told you to work out with tan 4 theta. Always keep in mind, tan 4 theta can be written as 4 tan theta times 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 minus 6 times of tan square theta plus tan raised to 4 theta. Okay? If you put here, if you call this as equation number 1, okay? Put 7.5 degree as theta in 1. We get, what we get here? We get, it is 4 times of tan theta times 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 minus 6 tan square theta plus tan raised to 4 theta. What is the formula of it? Tan of 4 theta, which is equal to tan of 4 times 4. What is theta? Theta is 7.5 degree, right? So 7.5 degree means it is 7 to the 14. 14 plus 1 15. What is 15 by 2? It is 7.5. Yes. What is 7.5 times 4? 7.5 times 2 is 15. 15 times 2. That is 7.5 times 4 is 30. I got tan of 30 degree. Just check how simple it is. Just if I know formula. Tan 30 is nothing but sin 30 by cos 30. It is 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Its answer is 1 by root 3. Though it looks very complicated, but if we know formulas, we can easily shift it to like this pattern. So this is a kind of question appeared in a national exam, JEE advanced. So just see the level of exams. Okay, they are of higher standard. They maintain higher level. Only thing is we need to upgrade our mind to that higher level. Okay, and upgrading is very simple. It is nothing but because of the regular practice on the subject in a regular interval of time. So we got 1 by root 3. It's in second option. So 1 by root 3 is the right answer for question number 27. Okay. Now we discuss the next question. That is 28. So what is given here? If A plus B plus C is 270 degree, and what is the value of cos 2A, cos 2B plus cos 2C, that is 4 sin A, sin B, sin C. Okay, this is the expectation. So I will consider first question, that is cos 2B, cos 2B plus cos 2C plus 4 times of sin A, sin B, sin C. I'll call this as equation 1 first. I'll just consider the first part, that is cos 2A, cos 2B, cos 2C. Now what I will do with this thing is, I'll apply cos A, cos B. 2 cos C plus D by 2. 2B plus 2C by 2 is D plus C by 2. Okay? It is B plus A directly, right? Then 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos B minus. Hope you understood the direct step. Because 2B plus 2C by 2 is 2 get cancelled. So B plus C. Then cos 2B is nothing but it is 2 times of cos. B plus C can be written as 270 degree minus A into cos of B minus C, which is nothing but cos 2A into 3 times of 90. It is sin. It will change. It will switch to sin. That is sin of A, with minus sign, because 270 minus theta cos is negative, because 270 minus theta means third quadrant. AS is remaining is b minus c, right? So it is nothing but cos 2a plus into minus minus, it is minus 2 sin a into cos of b minus c, right? Then what we will do here is cos 2a as it is minus 2 times of sin a. I will write a as a 270 degree minus b plus c. So you understand, into cos of b minus c, right? Now cos 2a as it is minus 2 times of sin of, it is b plus c. Okay, so it becomes 3 times of 90. 3 times of 90 means 3 is odd number. Function becomes co-function, that is cos. Okay, and 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta means third quadrant. In third quadrant, sign is negative, so it is minus. Okay, cos of b plus c into cos of b minus c. Okay, now what we will do here is cos 2a can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square. Okay, it is better we will do something here only. Otherwise we can't get our required answer directly. So what we will do here is write this as 1 minus 2 sin square here, because cos 2a varies place, minus 2 sin a into cos of b minus c, right? Now what I will do, 1 I will take from this particular expression 2 sin a common, so I left with sin a, okay, plus, okay, plus cos of b minus c, right? We will have taken minus common, so 1 minus 2 sin a into sin of a calculated as 270 degree minus b plus c, right? Into, there is no plus here, sin a only, so 2 sin a plus, that is cos of b minus c. So 1 minus 2 times of sin, it is 3 times of 90, that is cos of b plus c. Okay, in third quadrant sin is negative, right? 1 minus 2 sin a, let me shuffle it, it is cos of b minus c minus cos of b plus c. Okay, it is 1 minus 2 sin a, cos c minus cos c, it is minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is c plus d, means 2b by 2 is b, c minus d, it is b minus b cancel, it is sin of minus c. Yes, just check. So minus minus become plus, plus into minus minus, it is 1 minus 4 sin 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 c. Just check. Okay, now this expression is equation 1. Okay, this as 2. So just put 2 in 1. 2 in 1 means from this step I got answer as 1 minus 4 sin A sin B sin C, which is remaining term, plus 4 times of sin A sin B sin C. So these two terms, which answer in page, you left with plus 1 as an answer. Therefore, the right answer for 28th question is plus 1, which is option B. So it needs a sequential steps. So because of that sequential step, we got that term in a simplified format. I got it as 1, then I considered only this part. I got this part as this particular answer. Then I cancelled. I got answer is in plus 1 after cancelling of this term. Okay. We'll move on to the next question. So all we need is systematic work. So at first time you'll commit mistake. Not an issue in that. Don't lose it. Only thing is keep on working on it, so that it gives you some sort of the confidence in the subject. Okay. Let's move on to the 29th question. So what I want to say is if sin x plus cos x is 1 by 5, where x is lies between pi and 0, then what about tan x? If it is sin x by cos x given, we can manage. But look at this. They want for tan x. If sin x plus cos x, sin x is plus cos x is 1 by 5. So what do? I square on both sides of this equation. When you square, you will get sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x cos x is equal to 1 upon 25. Okay. So sin square x plus cos square x is 1. It is 1 plus this can be written as sin 2x. Okay. Is equal to 1 by 25. Now I want tan. So sin 2x can be written as 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Right. Is equal to 1 by 25, right? So then what we'll do, we'll write it as 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x is equal to 1 by 25 minus 1. So 1 by 25 minus 1 is minus 24 by 25. So I'll write tan x upon 1 plus tan square x is equal to 2 1s are 2 12s are minus 12 by 25. Simply cross multiply. You will get 25 tan x is equal to minus 12 tan square x. Okay, bring this side. It becomes 12 times tan square x plus 25 tan x plus 12 equal to 0. It looks like a quadratic equation. axa plus bx plus c. Where x place you have tan x. So when it is like this, what you will get x equal to. But in this case, what we have here? Tan x. Therefore, I write tan x equal to minus b. Okay, plus or minus b square 625 minus 4 into a into c. Okay, 4ac upon 2a is 24. So tan x is nothing but minus 25 plus or minus 625 minus 12 is 144. So almost 144 for the it is 576. Okay, upon 24. So it is nothing but minus 25 plus or minus. Okay, 576 plus 9, 585. 585 plus 40 is 625. So almost 49 divided by 24. It is nothing but minus 25 plus or minus 7 upon 24. So tan x has two answers. One is minus 25 plus 7. Minus 25 plus 7 means it is almost 18. So it is nothing but minus 18 upon 24. And or one more tan x answer is minus 32 by 24. If you simplify, 2 9s are 2 12s are 3 3s are 3 4s are. It is minus 3 by 4 is one answer. 2 16s are 2 12s are 2 8s are 2 6s are 2 4s are 2 3s are. It is minus 4 by 4. So tan x has two answers, minus 3 by 4 or minus 4 by 3. Yes, option A is the right answer for this particular question. Okay. Next we will discuss problem number 30. So far we discussed almost all good questions only, all from competitive examination, so that you got big idea about it. So what is given here is, if A is an obtuse angle, then sin cube A minus cos cube A upon sin A minus cos A plus sin A upon 1 plus tan square A minus 2 tan A cot A answer is. Okay, what is given? A is an obtuse angle, more than 90 degree. So what we do here is, we all know a cube minus b cube can be written as a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, right? So sin cube a minus cos cube a can be written as sin a minus cos a times sin square a plus sin a cos a plus cos cube a. divided by sin A minus cos A plus sin A divided by 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A can be written as sec square A. Yeah, so 1 plus tan square A, it is nothing but sec square A. It is under root, okay, under mod sec A, okay, minus tan A cot A get cancelled because cot and tan are reciprocal to each other. Now what we will do here is, so we will do something, it is cancelled and you left with 1 plus sin A cos A, okay. So it is mod sec A. They told obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means it is more than 90 degree. I will consider it as a second quadrant. In second quadrant, according to EHT rule, sec is negative. So sec is negative means mod sec A become minus of sec A because of the modulus function. Because mod x equals to x, when x is greater than 0, mod x is minus x when x is less than 0. As it is in second quadrant, because of obtuse angle, sec is negative according to ASTC rule. So this become minus, plus into minus become minus. It is sin A into sec is reciprocal of cos, it becomes cos A minus 2. So sin A cos A cancel, sin A cos A get cancel. 1 minus 2, answer is equal to minus 1. Just take care of this particular problem. Now we will discuss another question. So like this we can easily manage all questions in a systematic way so that you will understand each and every steps. So we will move on to the next question. If A and B are positive acute angles satisfying the equation 3 cos square A plus 2 cos square B equal to 4, and some expressions are given 3 sin A upon sin B is equal to 2 cos B upon cos A. Then what about A plus 2B? Okay, if A and B are positive acute angle. So what we do here is, I will consider this particular expression, that is 3 cos square A plus 2 cos square B is equal to 4. Okay, so what we will do here is, okay, I'll write this as a 2 cos square B is equal to 4 minus 3 cos square A. Okay, now the one thing we will do here is, I will subtract minus on both sides. 2 cos square B minus 1 is equal to 4 minus 3 cos square A minus 1. So what we can do here is it possible 2 cos square B can be written as cos 2B, right? So it is equal to 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 3 cos square A, right? So it is equal to, if you take 3 common, it is 1 minus cos square A. And 1 minus cos square A is sin square A, is 3 sin square A. So I got cos 2B answer as, because I simplified 2 cos square B minus in this particular fashion. I am doing this, what is the use? Because I got one angle 2B. Now anyhow I need to work with something. This is given already. A cross multiply. When I cross multiply, I got 3 sin A cos A is equal to 2 sin B cos A. Okay. Now, what to do with this thing? This is most important. We got cos of 2b 3 sin square A. Okay. What if I apply like this? If I apply cos of A plus 2b, cos of A plus 2b is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Yes. Now I will write cos A as this. What is cos 2b answer? 3 sin square, right? Minus, right? Sin A as this. What is sin 2b answer? 2 sin B cos B. 2 sin B cos B is nothing but 3 sin A cos A. Yes, it is 3 sin A cos A, which is nothing but 3 cos A sin square A minus 3 sin square A cos A, right? Because I wrote sin 2. Sin 2 is 2 sin A cos B because of their construction. Just to check, 2 cos B sin A. So it is written as sin 2b. Sin 2b I replace 3 sin A cos A. 3 cos A sin square A. 3 cos A sin square A. They are cancelled. So answer is 2. So I got to know that cos of A plus 2b is 0. Cos of what term is 0. Cos of 90 degree is 0. Therefore, I can say a plus 2b is pi by 2. Because I know that cos of 90 degree is 0. So, a plus b is pi by 2. So, option C is the right question for this particular question. Okay. Now, in upcoming session, I will continue a few more challenging questions, and the rest I will leave you as an exercise. Please, okay, take care of question. If you find any difficulty, you approach me, not I issue them. Okay, I'll take one more session on MCQs and let me finish this particular session. Okay, till then, take care. Thank you very much.